Gaz is a product of the same taste that flourished in the Safavid era and is unique in the world. Gaz production in Isfahan probably dates back to the Safavid period and about 450 years ago. It is said that a person named Muhammad Ali Shekarchian was the first producer of Gaz. Gaz got its name from the genus Tamarix that grows around Khansar. Cyamophila astra gallicola gegichkori makes its home on this plant, and during a process similar to the production of honey by a bee, it produces engabean. Engabean is made by genus Tamarix. The best kind of engabean is in Khansar. A very small amount of engabean is produced every year, only 200 kilograms. It is clear that with the 200 kilograms, it is not possible to supply several tons of gas required by the market of Isfahan and Iran. So they use new methods to produce it. They mix glucose syrup, egg whites, cardamom, and rose water, and then they add almond or pistachio kernels or both. Finally, they cut the dough into different shapes. Gaz is then packaged and consumers around the world can enjoy it.